This video finally made it to 700. You can see it here. This video finally made it to 722,000 views with 12,500 likes, with 116 comments, and then with 1,411 share. So in today's video, this is my international TikTok account. I just want to show you how much my international TikTok account paid me. And guys, please, this is mostly the kind of videos I'll be doing right now, to be bringing more enlightenment of how much TikTok and YouTube pay me, and other advice I'll be putting out for you guys. You guys recently know that I just put to bed. Ooh. So I'm still trying to recover all of that, my space. That is why I took a long time. Baby is 2 weeks, getting to 3 weeks old right now. So I just decided to, like, just even if it's just once in a week, let me just put out something here so that you guys will not feel lonely. But first of all, congratulate me in the comment section. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. And if you're watching this channel, you're watching Vibe with Sonia, and on this channel I try all my possible best to bring all the vibes on your table, bring things that will literally make money for you guys. So if you've ever been disappointed in your TikTok account, you don't even know what to do, you don't even know how to go about it, your international TikTok account to be precise, maybe this video might probably encourage you to know what exactly you're going to do. And this has literally taught me a lesson that you do not give up on anything at all. Because imagine this period that I can't even film to put out here, at least I have something giving me small thing from my international TikTok account. And that is why I feel like it is okay for you guys not to just rely on just one particular platform. Try your possible best to navigate other platforms as well, even if they're not generating money right now, they will generate in the future. That is one thing I keep telling people, okay? But I hope this video actually helped. For disclaimers, this is just me sharing, not to brag, okay? So let me go ahead and start up my screen record. So my screen record is all started, as you guys can see, and this video has gotten 722,000 views, like I said. So let's just dive right into the analytics of this particular video. So if you click on the analytics of this particular video, you guys, we're going to be starting from the overview of this video, where if you check from the overview, you're going to be seeing 722,000 views, 12,000 like, 116 comments, 1,342 share, and then 1,411 I think people that actually reposted also. So for my viewers, you can see how my viewers type actually went. My returning viewers 46% and my new viewers 54. Simply means this video is doing well. And from my gender, you can see people watching. We have the male, female, and for my age, you can see mostly all the age are watching here: 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, and then 55. For my location, I have South Africans watching, I have Nigerians watching, Ghana, I have United States, I have United Kingdom, I have Zambia, I have Italy, I have Canada, I have Germany, I have Zimbabwe, and I also have other countries that they can literally not mention all of them here, right? Then if you're checking with my engagement, you can see how my engagement spike went. So every single time, oh my god, I need to pause this. So every single time this video keep getting views, because it's more like an evergreen kind of content as far as I'm concerned, okay? Yeah. So anyways, let's go to the general overview so that you can see how much I made. You can see it here. For the video that I have this particular view, the total play was 79,076 hours, 55 minutes and 1 seconds. And for my average watch time, 35 seconds and 35.2 seconds. And then for my watch full video, people that watch full video was 6.86%. And I got followers from this video. The new followers I got is 2,346. I made $33.79. $33.79. And this is actually not the highest money I've made on this my international TikTok account ever since I've been serious with it, right? There are videos that I've gotten out, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Like I said, maybe I'll be trying my possible best of putting this type of content for now and other kind of content that I know that can be valuable to you guys, but maybe not as I was doing before because of baby right now. But for someone that just give birth and is just doing a short clip video and then getting this, honestly, I'm grateful. I am grateful. Okay. And one beautiful part about TikTok, let me stop this screen record, right? One beautiful part about TikTok is the fact that TikTok do not wait to give you like a certain threshold. Like they don't wait and they pay you every 15th of every month. Like this particular one, they have literally paid me. Oh, sorry guys. They have literally paid me. And I'm so grateful. So do not channel your energy on one place. Get an international TikTok account if you're in Nigeria. And if you're not in Nigeria, you are in a country where international TikTok account is eligible. Why not? Open an account for yourself. And for those ones that will come and ask me, oh, how do I get monetized on international TikTok accounts? The criteria are not even much. What you just need is to get 10,000 followers, and of which one of the things I know is the more you keep pushing out videos back to back, you're going to be getting followers. That's one thing with TikTok that I like so much. Then the second criteria is to meet up 100,000 views, which is one of the most cheapest one, because you can put out, let's assume you put out 5 videos in a day and each of them got 1,000 views. That's like 5,000 views that TikTok will be counting for you. So just imagine you now put out 10 videos in a day and each of them got 1,000 views. That's like 10,000. So you're just going to be getting just 100,000 views in the last 30 days and you can monetize, and you have to be up to 18 or more than 18 years old, or from 18 years old above. And that is it. And once you are monetized, you start earning even if it's t-pence. So let me know if this is actually helpful to you, and if you want me to come here and share more insights on how I actually got monetized, what I did personally to get monetized on time on TikTok, and so on and so forth. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there. My madam is shaking already. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for staying stick and with me to the end of this video. My life is now different. Yes, with that being said, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For that, bye guys. I love you guys. Let me go and carry her. See you guys. Bye.